Hello students, welcome to Educate. Today we are going to study next thing in French, that is lesson number 18, verbe en er au présent. What does this mean? So I'm going to tell you the different types of verbs in French, and after that you will understand what does this mean. So let's see. There are three types of verbs in French. ER ending, like PARLER, parley. Here ending is ER, and PARL is stem. Parley. Parley means to speak. Another verb, say écouter, to listen. Next verb, say regarder, to look at. Next verb, say inviter. Here this is also here, to invite. So there are many such verbs. You will find them one by one. So this is first type of verb, ER ending. Then another category is IR ending. IR ending, like finir, which means to finish. Punir, to punish. Réussir, to succeed. Grandir, to grow tall. Similarly, many such verbs are there. And third category is RE ending, like attendre, to wait for. Prendre, to take. Comprendre, to understand. Vendre, to sell. Similarly, many such verbs are there. We will see their conjugations. Now, the first question is, what is meaning of conjugation? So, you have studied different type of subject pronouns like je, tu, il, elle, then nous, vous, il, and elle. If you consider any ER verb, suppose we consider the simplest verb PARLER. So here we remove this ER portion and we copy the stem in front of each subject. So PARL, 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 here same thing, I'm not writing, and here also PARL, PARL, and PARL. Now what do you do? Just add endings. Here you have to add E, here ES, here E, in this form also E, here ONS, here EZ, and here ENT. So here you have taken the verb PRLER, but here ER is removed and you have taken the stem, then different endings are added. So writing different forms of verb or writing forms of verb according to different subjects is called conjugation. So you can say for ER verbs, endings are E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Keep in mind that these endings are not pronounced. So suppose we take verb, say another verb we consider, say écouter, E-C-O-U-T-E-R. Here there is accent aigu. So when we conjugate it, if there is vowel in front of j, then it becomes j apostrophe. Then E-C-O-U-T, and then ending for j is E. So it becomes j'écoute. Pronunciation j'écoute. Last E will not be pronounced. Suppose you take, let's write complete conjugation of écouter. So verb is E-C-O-U-T-E-R. So with j, you will write E-C-O-U-T-E. J'écoute. With tu, it will become E-C-O-U-T-E-S. But pronunciation will become, it will remain tu écoutes. Then il, E-C-O-U-T-E. Ending, you have to care. Il écoute. If you write nu form, nu, then E-C-O-U-T, then ending is O-N-S. Here pronunciation will be nu j'écoutons. Here there will be linking. It can't be pronounced like nu écoutons. No. Nu j'écoutons. Similarly, vous, then E-C-O-U-T-E-Z. Here pronunciation will be vous écoutez. This EZ will be pronounced like A, and ONS will be pronounced like on. Vous écoutez, nous écoutons. And if you take ILS form, so E-C-O-U-T-E-N-T. Here, il, S will get linked, il j'écoute, E-N-T will not be pronounced. In the beginning, I told you about verb parler. I am going to tell its pronunciation. So suppose you take verb parler, so it becomes je, P-A-R-L-E. What is pronunciation? Je parle, I speak. Tu parles, you speak. Il, elle parle. L form is also same, so it is not necessary to write both. Then nous, then P-A-R-L-O-N-S. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il, pronunciation will be il parle. It can't be ils parlent. Keep in mind. Now, one thing you have noticed that after j, you have to put apostrophe whenever vowel or H starting verbs come. Keep in mind, H must be mute. Later on, we will study about H aspirate. I'm not going to introduce it at this level. So suppose verb you have H-A-B-I-T-E-R, habiter. Habiter means to live. So j'habite, Q H-A-B-I-T-E-S, tu habites. Il, H-A-B-I-T-E, il habite. Nous, H-A-B-I-T-O-N-S. What is pronunciation? Nous j'habitons. Then with vous, H-A-B-I-T-E-Z. Pronunciation will be vous habitez. Then last one is ils habitent, H-A-B-I-T-E-N-T. I think you have understood what are the endings for ER verbs. Now, let's see the same concept here. The verbs ending in ER are called first group verbs. Their conjugation is very simple. All you need to know is the stem and the endings. So here stem means portion of the verb before ending. In verb regarde, if you consider, cut this ER portion, then you will get stem. So that is written here. With j ending is e, q, es, il, l, e. With nu, ons, with wu, ez, and with ils, rels, it is ert. Here, example is given. Verb regarder, to look at. Je regarde, tu regardes, elle regarde. Nous regardons, vous regardez, elle regarde. Another verb, écouter, to listen. J'écoute, tu écoutes, il écoute. Nous écoutons, vous écoutez, ils écoutent. Next verb is habiter, which means to live. J'habite, tu habites, il, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, ils habitent. I think you have understood this category of verbs. Then such ER verbs are listed here, and the conjugation is same. ER you will remove and you will put E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT ending, and you will get the conjugation. So first verb is chanter, to sing, entrer, to enter, inviter, to invite, donner, to give, aimer, to love, to like, adorer, to adore, chercher, to look for, demander, to ask, étudier, to study, jouer, to play, parler, we have already studied, to speak, travailler, pronunciation you have to keep in mind. It is travailler, travailler, to work. It is not travailler or travailler. Now we are going to see another category of verb. Like suppose ending is GER. So here let's see the difference. I am writing the conjugation. You will tell me what is difference in conjugation. Je, M-A-N-G-E. As usual, tu, M-A-N-G-E-S. Il, M-A-N-G-E. Nous, M-A-N-G-E-O-N-S. Here, if you remember, with nu we write P-A-R-L-O-N-S. But in case of GER verb, to keep pronunciation of G as J, it is necessary to put E. Otherwise, its pronunciation will become mango. Here, verb is manger. So, je mange, tu manges, il, elle mange. But if we don't write E here, it will become nous mangeons, and that is wrong. That is why here an extra E is necessary. So you have to remember this irregularity. Now with vous there is no problem. Vous mangez, il mange. So only nu form is irregular. We can take another verb. Suppose we take the verb ranger, R-A-N-G-E-R. Ranger means to arrange. Same thing will happen. Normal with je it will remain R-A-N-G-E, with tu R-A-N-G-E-S, then il R-A-N-G-E, with nu R-A-N-G-E-O-N-S. You have to remember, otherwise your conjugation will be wrong. Similarly, another verb is nager, which means to swim. The same thing will happen with nu form. E can't be removed. So this is one category. So here the same thing is explained. If you observe, GER verbs take EONS in nu form. Manger, to eat. Je mange, tu manges, il mange. Nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange. Other such GR ending verbs are ranger, to arrange, nager, to swim, déranger, to disturb. Now, another verb of same category means ER category, we are going to discuss. There is again some irregularity in it, that is CER verbs. What happens in CER? Suppose we have verb avancer. Avancer means to move ahead with je, A-V-A-N-C-E. J'avance, no problem. Tu avances. Il avance. Nous avons. Is it correct? If you remember, C plus A-O-U gives pronunciation of K. Here verb is avancer. Here j'avance, tu avances, il avance. But here what will be the pronunciation? If we don't change something, some change is necessary here. Otherwise it will become nous avons. So we make this C with a cedilla, and if you remember, cedilla is put under C to make its pronunciation as S. So nous avançons, then vous avancez, no problem. Ils avancent. So you have understood. You can take another verb like commencer, to start. Here again same thing will happen when you write new form. So C-O-M-M-E-N-C with cedilla O-N-S. Otherwise its pronunciation will become commencer. Similarly, if you take verb lancer, to throw, etc. So with nous, it will become L-A-N-C with cedilla O-N-S. So nous lançons. Now let's read same thing here in the book. What is written? GER verbs take EONS into form. Manger, ranger, granger, etc. These verbs you have studied. Now CER verbs change C to C with the cedilla into form. Lancer, to launch, to throw. Here conjugation is given. Nous lançons. Rest you have understood. E-E-S-E, O-N-S, E-Z-E-N-T. Other CER verbs are listed here. Divorcer, to take divorce. Avancer, to move ahead. Annoncer, to announce. Commencer, to start. Now, there are some other ER ending verbs which are irregular, and you have to remember them how to conjugate. Here, if you see this verb, jete. So, what is irregularity? If you notice, T gets doubled in all forms except nous and vous. Here, J-E-T-T-E, J-E-T-T-E-S, J-E-T-T-E, I-L-S with I-L-S, J-E-T-T-E-N-T. But in case of nous and vous, here there is no change. That change you have to memorize. Otherwise, there will be problem. So here, in these two, what you have noticed? Here T is single. Now consider another verb, acheter, to buy. Here what is happening? In new form, normal ONS, in new form, normal EZ, but in other forms, just check. J'achète, here on this E, it is accent grave. Here also, achète, achète, achète. So sometimes, to make things easier, we say that these are boot verbs. What does this mean? If we put this like this, we consider it as a boot. So this is a boot. Inside the boot, T gets doubled. Outside, it is normal. Similarly, the same thing is happening here. Inside the boot, what is happening? Here, this E takes accent grave. In case of verb appeler, if you consider this verb, appeler, to call, the same is happening here. Inside the boot, here, there is space between ILS and this verb. So, inside the boot, L gets doubled. Outside the boot, L remains normal. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent. So I think you have understood. Now let's do the exercise that is based on these ER ending verbs. Now I am giving you 1 minute to try. Just try and tell me the answers. Till 10 you do, I will tell. Think. What is first verb? It is parler. What will happen? Here, yes, you have to add E in place of ER. If you consider second, so here subject is tu, verb is chante. So what you can do? What is ending of tu form? ES. Yeah. So you will write CHANTES. Then you take L. With L, what is ending? It is E. So what is answer? TRAVAILLE. Next one. Next verb is manger. So what happens here? Will it be MANGONS? No, it will be MANGEONS. As I told you, otherwise pronunciation will become mango. Now let's go to fifth question. What is that? Vous regardez un film ce soir. Regardez, you can remove ER, and in place of that, what you can do? You just put EZ. Correct. Okay, next one. Il joue au football. Here, what will you do? What is ending for ILS? It is not EZ. It is ENT. So answer will be JOUENT. Next one, nous voyager en France. What will be your answer? It will be VOYAGONS? No. VOYAGEONS. Next one. Tu écoutes de la musique classique. Tu. Here verb écouter. Here ECOUT. And then what ending? ES. Correct. The next one is il adore les gâteaux. Il. It will become ADORENT. Next one is il demande une question. Here, what will it be? It should be DEMANDE. Okay, you have done till 10th. So I'm going to write the answers. So here PARLE up to here, R will be cut. Here CHANTE. Here TRAVAILLE. In this case MANGEONS. Here it will be regarder. REGARDEZ. In this case it will be JOUENT. ILS form. Then here VOYAGEONS. Sorry, EONS. Then it will be ECOUTES, écoute, and this will become ADORENT, adore. And then il demande, although it should, the verb should be posé in question, but it's okay. So it will become DEMANDE. Now let's see next questions. So you have done till 10th. Now 10 more questions are there for you. Now think and tell what would be your answer. So here, les enfants jouaient dans le jardin. So here, what will you write? This is equivalent to, do you have doubt? No. Suppose Ravi Parle is given, Ravi Parle, and now you have to conjugate it. So think what pronoun can replace it. So il, he. So conjugation will be Ravi, P-A-R-L-E. Similarly, suppose les enfants is given, les enfants, and then verb is suppose parler. Here you have doubt. Try to replace it by pronoun. Which pronoun will fit? Je, no. Tu, no. Here it will be equivalent to il. So you have to write il form, P-A-R-L-E-N-T. So here I would like to tell you one thing. In conjugation, when we write, suppose corresponding to je, tu, I am writing here, you will understand this first line, parle and parlons. This is new. Then this is P-A-R-L-E-S. This is P-A-R-L-E-Z. Then P-A-R-L-E-P-A-R-L-E-N-T. Now, whenever you have doubt which form to use, then only this line is allowed. You have to consider this one only. Later on, you will see when first person is also present, then what happens when second person, third persons are present, then what will be the verb form. But that is not of your syllabus. Here only you are learning basic things. So whenever you are in doubt, in that case, you have to refer the last line. For singular, you are going to use P-A-R-L-E, whereas for plural, you are going to use P-R-L-E-N-T. Correct? So you have understood les enfants, it means J-O-U-E-N-T. Now, next one is je, it is simple, j'aime, then nous, E-T-H-U-D-O, then vous travaillez, no problem. Marie et Sophie, again you have doubt. As I told you, doubt line is last one. So whether singular or plural, if it is plural, then take plural form, D-A-N-S-E-N-T. D-A-N-S-E-N-T. No doubt. Few, it will become regarde, il. Verb aller you have already studied. If you remember, aller becomes V-A-I-S, V-A-S, then V-A, then A-L-L-O-N-S, A-L-L-E-Z, and V-O-N-T. This is form of aller. V-A-I-S, V-A-S, V-A, allons, aller, vont. So here, il aller. So va, then nous appeler. This is the one that changes its form. So if you remember, in nous and vous, L remains single. But in case of other subjects, this L gets doubled. What will happen here? Will it change? No. A-P-P-E-L-O-N-S. Nous, commencer verb. As I told you, when CER verbs are conjugated with the nous form, C takes cedilla. So answer will be C-O-M-M-E-N-C with cedilla O-N-S. And last verb is acheter. Here also I told you, inside the boot, this E takes accent grave. Since it is ILS form, definitely there will be accent grave. So A-C-H-E-T-E-N-T. So I think you have understood how to conjugate ER verbs. So let's recapitulate it. So I'm just giving a small summary. So summary is you will write je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ILS form. Then you will add the endings. As I told you, what are the endings? The endings are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. In case of GER verb, keep in mind that you have to retain E throughout the conjugation. And in case of CER verb, you have to put C with cedilla. You have to take C with cedilla in new form because pronunciation should remain sa, otherwise pronunciation will become ka. I think you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you, Team Educate.